In this video, we will show you how to replace your speed sensor. On this Dodge Dakota, this will be located on the driver's side of your transmission. Let's get into it. Alright friends, let's get started on our job. Carefully make your way underneath the driver's side of the vehicle. Along this area, you're going to find that you have the transmission speed sensor. First, start by removing the wiring. You'll find that you have a squeeze tab that you can press in and gently pull off the wiring harness from the sensor. Once you have that off of there, give it a quick check for corrosion. Assuming you don't see any funny colors, we can set that aside. Now looking at the speed sensor, you'll find that you have an 8mm headed bolt that holds it in place to the transmission. Remove that bolt. There's that. Quick inspection, set it aside. Next, we'll remove the sensor from the transmission. Commonly for these, you're going to want to give them a little wiggle to try to break them free. Once you get some movement, you can start pulling it away from the transmission as you twist. There it is, friends. The next thing you want to do is clean and inspect the transmission, where your new sensor will go. Once you clean the base, it's also a good idea to clean and inspect the hole as well. Okay friends, let's get ready to install our brand new speed sensor. It's a good idea to lubricate the O-ring on this. After you've done that, slide it into place, aligning the sensor and the mounting bolt hole. Continue on to your mounting bolt. We'll start this in by hand so we're sure we're not cross-threading it. Snug it up. Once you have it snug, torque it to 80 inch-pounds. Let's slide our wiring harness into place, listen for a click, give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Okay friends, we showed you how to install your transmission speed sensor. At this point, climb out from underneath the vehicle, start it up, and take it for a road test, make sure it functions properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.